very interesting phenomena has been found, and that is a sudden boom in the phytoplanktons of the coast of Madagascar. Now, what has been attributed to this? The major cause is the rising desertification in the regions of southern Africa. Now, because of the increasing amount of desertification which is seen in the regions of southern Africa, mainly in the regions of Botswana and Namibia, the salt plains, 41% of the land has gone dry. Now, these dry lands, when the wind blows, the soil mobilizes and flows away with the water. Now, as it flows away, what would happen? It would go on to the nearby ocean areas. Now, here is the Madagascar island. Closer to the Madagascar, this soil particles or the dust particles get deposited. Now, these dust particles are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and iron. As a result, what happens? It increases the productivity, and the amount of phytoplanktons in this region have significantly increased, increasing the photosynthesis and generation of oxygen in these areas. So again, though it has been considered that desertification has adversely affected, there has been no direct correlation which has been identified between the ocean fertilization and phytoplanktons and the process of desertification. However, this is one of the studies that has become really important and cause of concern, and this can be one of the studies which could be quoted in your answers for ocean fertilization. We would be discussing many such interesting topics in geography optionals. Stay tuned for further updates with us.